Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create a gift registry on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So creating a gift registry include installing an integration, search for gift registry, and then you're gonna head over to your app store. Make sure to directly head over to that instead of help center. So you can see we have various and tons of different type of integrations. So I recommend gift regi, and this is going to be allowing you to simply incorporate gift registry onto your Shopify platform that you have just created. And you can also customize different type of registries. You can see your registry profile, event date, and all that details are basically available in here. So pretty handy, easy, and straightforward. No backend development required. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.